Video stream. So in my previous video, I have shown you how inner HTML works and how it is able to manipulate the DOM. Whatever the sentence was there in HTML tag, p tag, and it was we were able to manipulate, change it with another sentence or string. So today we will move ahead with little bit more further. I will explain you how it works and what other things we can do using JavaScript function also in the script tag. So you can better understand. So first of all, I will create one file and I will open a text file. So I will first I will do is what I will save the file as I will name it as inner HTML2. HTML2 dot html is the extension of this file. So let's on the desktop only I will put, and that's it. So now I've created the file. So let's code this. So I will first put doc type html. So we got here doc type html. So I will make one html tag, and closing tag is also there. So html tag I have made. Now I will make head tag here. I will make one head tag. So let's make this head, oh, head. So head tag I have made here. Now within the head tag I will make one title tag, title title tag. So in the title tag I will write INNERHTML2. So doesn't matter. So now I have written this. Now I will make one body tag. So let's make one body tag here below the head tag. So I will make body body tag. End tag also got created automatically. So now I will make one paragraph tag, and I will ask one question here. I will like a questionnaire I will make. So I will write here make one paragraph tag, and in this I will ask one question like what is the national flower of India. So let's make this. Uh, it's better I will write from here. What is the NATIONAL of India? So this is the question here. Okay. So I have made here. So in the body, this is the paragraph tag where I have made here. So I will do what I will be doing. This is the question here. So question now, if I will run this code, so question will be there. So you can see only question. But I want to make a button and how it works. After pressing the button, the answer should appear. So let's open the this one. So what is the national flower of India? So what I will do, I will make here one button tag, and after clicking that, the person will get the answer. Okay. So I will be making in that way. So let's carry on what we were doing. So I will stop this. Okay. So now this is the question. Now I want to make answer. So for that, first I will make a button tag. Button. So I will make a button. So BUTT button tag got created. So I will give this as ID. ID. I will put any number. So here I am planning to put 6. So in strings, double quotes or inverted comma. So I will put here 6. Now I will use on click event. On click event is there. On click JavaScript event. In there are lots of events on click, on mouse over. So in that way, this JavaScript is having on click event. So I will write here on click. What should happen? So here this is the on click event. So I have to make a function. So on click that function will be called. So what I will do? I will be now making function also. So in the body tag itself, I will make one script tag. So I will complete this later on. For further better explanation, I will not complete it now. So I will make a script tag. So this is the opening tag and this is the ending tag. So in the script tag, what I will do, I will be using here the function. So here on click that function will be called. First I will make a function here in the script tag. So I will name this function using the keyword function. mm, function. So this is function and I will name the function as country. C capital COUNTRY, and we know that we have to put this if it is a function. So now function, this we have done. Now one space bar we have to put after this and we have to put one curly braces. So curly braces will come down. Now here I will be using document dot get element by id, get element by id. So I have made here this function country, okay, and I will use this country is there. So I will do what now, on click this country function will be called on click. So I will copy here and put inside this in the inverted commas or double quotes. So now you can see country will be called here. So this is the way this will be called. Okay. So button tag is here. So what I will do here, this is the function will be called using this on click. Whenever click will happen, this function will be called, and whatever will be there inside the function that will be displayed. So I will do is what, document get element by id, element by id. So now here what I will be doing here, button id is 6. So I will do this whole thing here. I will put parenthesis first, and inside this parenthesis, so this id it will take, that is 6 number it will take here. So it will actually identify where button is there, button. So this number, because of this it will be able to identify the button. So this is actually mentioning the button id. Just a second, I will use arrow. So this 6 is there. So when this function is doing what, this is actually indicating this one, this button. So this button here it is indicating. So what we will do, this is where, this is the inner html. So we have to use our inner text. So I will write here inner text, because this is text. So inner text, this whole thing. So inner text is there. So in the inner text, I want to give the answer as lotus, because national flower of India is lotus actually. So I will put here LOTUS, lotus, and here we have to put semicolon. So in this way the function is made here within the script tag. Now here on click you can see, but I have to put here question also, click me for the answer or something. So here I will put between here like click me for the answer, click me, CLICK me for the answer, ASWER. So let's save this whole thing again and let's run the code. Inner HTML it has opened here. See, this the same thing has opened here. Now I will do what, now I will click here for the answer. You can see lotus has been displayed here. Okay, so lotus has been displayed here. So in this way it works. So you must have understood how it works. So I will explain this code again. So here you can see this was the button ID. I have made one button, and that button is actually having this label, click me for the answer. So that button I have shown you. So it was having this label. So whenever that button we can see click me for the answer, and question was on the top. So click me for the answer. What happened here when we did what? We have taken this ID, 6 button ID, and we have used this document dot get element by ID. So this is getting the element by ID. So ID is this, and button is having this ID. So that means it is getting the thing whatever is there in is of button, and this function is within the country. So whenever we click here on click, so what happens? This function country is called, and whenever the function country is called, so this code get executed, and the answer is displayed as Lotus. So we can see why the answer is displayed as Lotus because of this. So click me for the answer because the function is called. This function is called. This function country is called here on clicking whenever a click happens, and then this answer is displayed. So in this way we were able to see. Now I will again run the code and we will see it again. So as you can see here, the same thing. What is the national flower of India? The question is asked, and this button. So button ID. This is the button having label. Click me for the answer. This is the click me for the answer, and the function country is there behind this. So this ID is related to button ID. So it is being taken over from here to here, and inner text. So answer will be Lotus here. So I will click here, and Lotus is displayed. You can see Lotus is displayed. So you got it. In this way, we are able to manipulate the DOM using inner HTML. Now what we can do here, we can do one more thing here. As you can see, this is a normal function we have made, but in JavaScript we can do what now? We can change this. We can assign this whole thing to a variable. So I will do what now? I will assign the whole thing to a variable. All I will do is what? I will make another file, same file. So I will explain you second part, which is in the same way you can do this way or either that way. So I will show you another way how JavaScript works. So I will make one text file, and I will name this. I will save this file as inner HTML3. Inner HTML3 dot extension HTML. So now I will be explaining you again whole thing. I will do what? No? So I will be actually copying this whole code here from here, and I will be pasting the code here. So it will save time. No need to code again. So you can see here function is there. As we can see, this line is correct. This line everything is as it is. We will keep. And what we will do here, instead of this function, we have named here a country like this. So we will use variable. Okay, so here I will use a where keyword, const, where, and let. So these are the JavaScript keywords. So I will use where. Okay, so function. So country is there. So I will do what? The country, this whole country is there. So I will bring this country, and function is there. So function I will take this side. I will do what? I will make one equal to sign, and this function keyword I will take this side, and this function keyword I will remove here. From here I will remove the function keyword, and I will put this side. So here we can see the function is there. We have just named this as country, the function. So what we will do now, inside the function we can do, this is the function. So inside the function we can do one more step here. So as you can see, so this where function is there. So we have to use some other concept here, like here we will put here a parameter is there. So we have to put one parameter inside the function. We will use one parameter like value passed to the function. Just for anything you can put a b c x y z, but I will write value passed to the function, so you can understand it is a parameter. You pass p a a d to the function, function. So this is parameter. So argument will be passed and this parameter is there. So you can do in this way also. So what we will do here now, lotus is not here. So this lotus we have to remove from here. Okay, and here value passed to the function, we have to put this whole thing, value passed to the function is there. So now instead of lotus we will put here value passed to the function, this parameter we will remove and put in place of lotus. So command V. So in this way we are able to do the value passed to the function. So like this we can do in this way, but here lotus we have removed here. So lotus will come where, you know. So lotus will now move up inside this, because this is the parameter. So argument, now in the place of argument, where argument will be there. So you can see the argument we can put here in this country. So here I will put that lotus. So argument will be passed. Just a second. So argument will be passed LOTUS. Same lotus. Okay. So in this way the argument will be passed. Same thing, just we have actually used keyword where, and this function we have given a name country, and value passed to the function is parameter we have here put, and here also we have put the parameter, and the then argument is passed on the click event. So let's save this and then let's run the file and let's wait for few seconds. You can see same thing has been asked. Yes, same question, and just click lotus has been displayed. So you got it, na? In this way or that way we can do. So there are different ways in JavaScript we can perform this action. Or we can do what, na, this whole thing we can put in a different script JavaScript file and name it as document.js here inside this inside this folder itself, and then we have to give the path like a script source .js. Instead, in this whole thing we can put it in the different file also. So I will put it in the different file. I will make one file, new file, and I will make here, and I will make doc.js. I will make it as save as on the same folder, desktop folder one I have made. So I will make doc.js extension I have given. So this whole thing is there. So I can do what, you inside this whole code was there, JavaScript code. So I can do is this whole thing. I will cut it. I will first copy and paste here, and I will save it. File, save, and instead of this whole, I can just provide this path. Path means it is within the same folder, desktop folder. So just I have to mention the file name. If it is in different folder, then you have to name the folder's name also. And if it is in other folder, from one folder to second folder, then you have to mention all the relative path of the folder. So here I will put src, okay, and then equals to, so that file's name doc.js in inverted commas, double quote, doc.js. So see, it has identified. Now in the same way, a file is here and script is here. So just we have given the path of the script. Now if we run this code, we will be able to get the same thing. Debug anyway. Okay. So here, just a second. So you can see we got it, lotus. So in the same way we can work. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching my video. Just help us and watch more videos from me, so it will be easier for me to make more and more videos for you people. Thanks for watching. It has been nice making videos for you people. Thanks.